Hello students, in this video we will practice NCERT exercise question from the chapter electricity, question number 8. The question says, when a 12 volt battery is connected across an unknown resistor, there is a current of 2.5 milliampere in the circuit. Find the value of the resistance of the resistor. So in this question we have to find out the value of the unknown resistance, provided that you are already given with a potential difference which is equal to 12 volt and the current is equal to 2.5 milliampere which is running across the circuit. The question is very simple, but the solution is not going to be very simple, because whenever we have such question which is based on circuit arrangement, कभी भी हमारे पास सर्किटल बेस्ड क्वेश्चन हो तो हमेशा हमें प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए कि हम एक सर्किट डायग्राम बना दें, and that makes our the presentation more better and impressive, right? So moving on to the solution part, first of all we will write whatever is already given. We are given with potential difference, that is V is equal to 12 volt, current is given 2.5 milliampere, and we have to find out resistance. Okay, now what we have to do, first of all we will draw a circuit diagram, and the current running across this battery is how much? It is given 2.5 milliampere. That's all the information it is provided here. We are not provided with the information regarding this resistance. So this is an unknown resistance and this is what we have to calculate. So in order to find out the unknown resistance, we have to use the Ohm's law formula. From Ohm's law we know, the formula V is equal to I into R, and R could be written as V divided by I. Okay, we are given with V and also we are given with I, but remember, you should notice here that the SI unit of current is ampere, but here the unit is given in milliampere, right? So first of all this milliampere has to be converted in ampere. इस milliampere को हम ampere में convert करेंगे, तो I is 2.5 milliampere ये होना चाहिए ampere में. milliampere को ampere में change करने के लिए हम 2.5 को divide करेंगे 1000 से. Okay, so this is in ampere right now. Now on simplifying this will lead to 0.0025 ampere. Okay, you can check by yourself. Now we can put the value over here. V is given 12, I we have calculated 0.0025. Okay, remove this 4 places of decimal, यहाँ 4 0 add up हो जाएंगे, and this could be calculated as 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 4, again 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, 4 8 0 0. Okay, so R is equal to 4800 ohm, or you can write 4.8 kilo ohm, right? So this is the value of the unknown resistance of the resistor, and this is the solution for question number 8. Let's move on to question number 9. So here is question number 9, and it says a battery of 9 volt is connected in series with resistors of 0.2 ohm, 0.3 ohm, 0.4 ohm, 0.5 ohm and 12 ohm respectively. How much current would flow through the 12 ohm resistor? तो इस क्वेश्चन में हमारे पास कुछ रेजिस्टेंस की वैल्यू दी हुई है, एंड ऑल दिस रेजिस्टेंसेस आर कनेक्टेड विथ अ 9 वोल्ट ऑफ बैटरी सप्लाई. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द अमाउंट ऑफ करंट विच इज फ्लोइंग थ्रू 12 ohm resistor. Again we will draw a circuit diagram as we did before in previous question. So the circuit will be like this. We have number of resistors. How many? 1 2 3 4 5, and these all are connected in series. हमें पता है series combination में end to end connection होती है. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, 5 resistances. All these resistance are connected in series with a 9 volt battery. Okay, so this is my 9 volt battery, and we will write up here, over here, this is how much, this is R1, R1 is how much, 0.2, R2 is 0.3 ohm, 0.4 ohm, 0.5 ohm and 12 ohm. आपसे पूछा जा रहा है कि 12 ohm इस रेजिस्टेंस के अक्रॉस कितना करंट पास हो रहा है, हाउ मच इज द करंट थ्रू 12 ohm resistance. This is V. So in order to find out the amount of current, we have to first of all find out the equivalent resistance. हम equivalent resistance भी calculate करेंगे, then only we will find out that how much current is passing through the circuit. And since all these resistance are connected in series, so our R equivalent will be sum up of all these individual resistances, that is R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 plus R5. Put the values. R1 is 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 plus 12 ohm. Sum up कीजिए. This will lead to 13.4 ohm. This is the R equivalent in series. Okay. Now we have resistance equal to 13.4. V is given 9 volt. Can we calculate I? Yes, we can do so from Ohm's law. From Ohm's law we know I is equal to V upon R, because V is equal to I into R. So I is equal to V upon R. Put the values. V is 9 and R is 13.4. Simplify this. On simplifying you will get 0.67, because this is current, so the unit will be in ampere. So current we have calculated across the circuit is 0.67 ampere. But question is how much current is flowing through 12 ohm resistor, मतलब 12 ohm resistor से कितनी करंट पास हो रही है. We know because this is a series combination, so in series combination the current never gets distributed. So our answer will be the current across 12 ohm resistor will be same as the current passing through all these individual resistances, which is 0.67 ampere. Okay, because this is a series combination. This battery is 9 volt, the potential difference, the voltage supply is 9 volt only, and the current withdrawn is 0.67 ampere. क्योंकि ये series combination है तो यहाँ पे path to distribute नहीं हो रहा है current का. This is the path, this is the path and this is the straight path. The path is not getting distributed. So current will also remain along the same path. Current will also remain constant. ऐसा सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन में होता है कि करंट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट नहीं होता, सिर्फ वोल्टेज डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाता है. तो अक्रॉस ऑल दीज रेजिस्टेंसेस, हर एक रेजिस्टेंस के अक्रॉस कितना करंट पास होगा, 0.67 एम्पियर. द रीज़न इज दैट बिकॉज दिस इज अ सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन. देयर इज नो करंट डिवीजन अक्रॉस सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन because there is no current division in series combination. Okay, so this will be our answer. So this is the solution for question number 9. See you all in my next video with another solution. Thank you.